All right, welcome. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. I've been trying to figure out a way that we could jam together. And here's what I've come up with. First, I'm going to play an easy power chord progression and explain what's going on so that you can then jump in and play it on the next go around. Then you'll play that rhythm progression and I'll play an easy but cool sounding lead over it. And for your part, there'll be scrolling tablature going along the bottom of the screen so you'll easily be able to jam along. Then we'll switch. On the next go around, I'll play the rhythm progression and you'll play the lead that I just played in the previous pass. And of course, again, there'll be scrolling tablature for you to follow along with. And then finally, we'll do one more pass with you playing the rhythm progression again, and then I'll play a completely new lead just to show you some variation and more of what's possible. This will all take some practice to master, but hey, that's the name of the game. And of course, I'll have all the tablature and backing tracks bundled up into a mini course that you can download over on Patreon. And you can just certainly keep coming back to this video day after day to keep practicing, but more about all that after the jam. Let's do it. Okay, in this first section, I'm going to show you the rhythm progression you'll be playing in the next section. Listen and follow along with the tab to this easy power chord progression. Here we go. That's an E, and a B, C, D, and repeat. Now let's move it up a whole step. F sharp, C sharp, D, E, and repeat. Now let's move it up another whole step. G sharp, D sharp, E, but this time drop it down to B. So instead of continually climbing, we're going to drop the last note to B. And then finally end on a G sharp. Great. Now it's time for you to give it a try. You play the rhythm, I'll play a lead. Let's go. All right, now you give that lead a try. I tried to keep it easy, and you'll see the tab on screen. And I left the lead audio in there just a bit in case you need it as a guide. Here we go. All right, now in this final section, you'll play the usual rhythm and I'll play a new lead. I'll have the tab for this lead and everything else in the course bundle should you decide to give it a try as well. Let's jam. All right, great job. And remember, practice makes perfect. So it's important that you keep coming back to this day after day. And eventually you'll get it nailed. And, it could potentially open up your mind to some new possibilities and sounds, just hearing progressions and leads that maybe you hadn't heard combined before. And if you want to take things even further, I've got all of this and everything you'll need bundled up into a mini course that you can download over on Patreon. It's got the video of this jam, printable tablature, and the Guitar Pro tablature, which is incredible because it's interactive and scrolls along with audio in real time as you're learning and playing. You can play to a click, slow things down, speed things up, isolate instruments, and so much more. It's the best way to learn music with the guitar. And if you don't have Guitar Pro software, I include a link to a free workaround within the bundle. You'll also get the isolated drum backing tracks and a bonus Guitar Pro file where we can trade leads back and forth over today's progression. Beyond this mini course, my Patreon members also have unlimited access to all the rest of my mini courses, my jam bundles, my monthly giveaways, and over 100 high-quality guitar tabs. Head to patreon.com/RobArnoldWorld to learn more and snoop around. Okay, I really hope to see you there soon. Thanks so much for watching. Happy jamming, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you never miss a video, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next one drops. I'm planning to see you there.